Welkom terug maats, vandag gaan ons die brr woorde leer. Welcome back everybody, today we're going to learn a new sound, brr in Afrikaans. Please repeat each word, herhaal elke woord na my. Brood. That is bread. Braaf. That means brave. Brand. Burn. Bruin. Brown. Brug. It is a bridge. Breed. Broad. Broek. It is a pants. Brein. Brain. Braai. Braai. Broer. Brother. Breek. That means to break. Baie mooi maats, so herhaal nou elke woordjie na my. Please repeat each word after me. Braai. Breek. Breed. Broer. Broek. Brug. Brand. Brein. Well done everybody, let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Choose the correct word for each sentence. Maats, kom ons kyk weer na elke sin. Jy gaan vir my vertel watter woord pas in watter sin. Are you ready? Here we go. Ja, dit is broer. Brand. Brood. Bruin. Breek. Brein. Braai. Brug. Breed. Baie mooi maats, well done everybody. Next time we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Until next time, tot volgende keer maats. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, please take care.